Hey nail tubers, what is up, nailification squad? This is coming to you from Pick You Color Studios, where we're taking a much needed break over the weekend, but we decided on this impromptu announcement coming to you as a surprise. As you can tell by the thumbnail, this channel reached 500 plus subscribers, y'all. Yes, honey, more than 500. Oh, snap. Snap the fingers. Snap the fingers. I can't even begin to tell you how much excitement there is over this. We actually weren't prepared for this, guys. What I mean is, I knew it would eventually happen, but I was going by the pace of this channel so far, which I've been okay with. And I just thought it would be a little more time down the road. Basically, I was thinking I still had a ways to go. But how awesome, right? When surprises catch you pleasantly like this. OMG. So, my brother and I decided to make this a 5-winner giveaway, guys. And let me explain. I got a list of reasons. 1, we wanted to represent the 500 subscriber milestone. So thank you. Thank you. 2, to make up for the random giveaways that I didn't do, though I intended. 3, because we really, truly appreciate you. And 4, though I said it already, I'll say it again, to thank you for all of your support. Now, let me go over the giveaway rules. You have to be subscribed to this channel and also on my Instagram, which is the exact same name, @PickYouColor. This giveaway will be all-inclusive, USA and international, so there'll be no need to put enter me. And let me explain why. There's been so much loving support from all of you, so I want everyone to be included in this memorable celebration of this particular milestone. This couldn't happen without all of you. Now, I know that postage will make this difficult to continue doing, which is why I also totally understand when others have to place limits on giveaways, but this will be open to everyone. You don't have to put enter me, but to be qualified for this giveaway, you must leave a comment to this video. Your comment will be enough to qualify you for the giveaway. Let me just put in this disclaimer. Any soliciting comments will automatically be disqualified. Soliciting comments are comments that solicit personal relationships, other or unrelated channels, other or unrelated links, and anything that can be deemed as suspicious or criminal activity. All 5 winners will be announced Friday, December the 11th. Requirements for entry will be checked, and if your name is chosen, you must contact me on Instagram with forwarding information. Now, let's get into the prizes, guys. This first prize will be this SXC G09, and the G does stand for glow in the dark, guys. It's a polygel kit. This is the sister kit of the one I have of the Zodiac series. It comes with 6 30-milliliter polygels, base and top coat, 2 very pretty glitter pots, and luminous decorative stones. And don't forget the handcrafted polygel brush. Also with this kit, you'll receive, get this, a 168 watt nail lamp. Y'all, I'm scared. 168 watts? Maybe we all better pray for who wins this. The second prize will be Macart transfer foils. It'll come with a 10-roll set, and then there's a portable mini Melody Susie 6-watt lamp that has a 45 and 60-second timer. Guys, this is awesome, totally awesome. Oh, and did I mention that this kit comes with the Macart foil glue? You guys know that's all the rave right now, right? Okay guys, so prizes 3 and 4 are going to be the same, okay? So we're going to start out with this. Do you guys remember when I did the video review on this, the Queen Nail Stamping Kit? I just think that this kit is great for anyone who's starting out, and even if you already have stamping plates. I do like some of their designs on their plates. I really like this one. And then this kit comes with everything that you need. And on top of that, because you're going to be stamping and you don't want your print to get everywhere, I'm sending this Queen mess-free latex tape, guys. So that goes hand in hand together. I thought it was fun myself. And then another fun one that I did is this crystal stamping kit. You know, between these two kits, a lot of viewers were saying that they don't have it in their stores, so that's why I had extra, and I was going to do giveaways and hadn't gotten around to it, so I just figured this was the perfect time for it. So yes, this is by Salon Perfect, the crystal stamping kit. If you want to see the video that I did on it to see how it works, I'll have that in the description box for both of them. I started out kind of struggling with this one, but I actually had fun. So this is just something fun for you to enjoy. Then you have some leafing foils, different from the regular foils that you rub on. Leafing foils, you know, these are those delicate foils, and all you need is like a small pinch of it, so a little goes a long way with these. And you'll have it in silver, gold, and also rose gold. You have enough here to last quite a while, guys, quite a while. Then here is a packet of butterfly glitters. I know this has been like the big thing, the butterfly glitters and the fall glitters. Right now is holiday season, but a lot of people are still, this is still pretty popular. So you got a good amount of butterfly glitters. I'm having a tongue twisted moment there. And also, you're gonna get a pack of beautiful stones, because you guys know stones, some stones, my famous video clip, right? Some stones, guys, some stones. So I had to include these in there. And then there's gonna be just a couple of more pieces that I'm just gonna let be a surprise to you. That's right, guys, those things are for prize number 2 and 3. No, I'm sorry, prize number 3 and 4. So let me just give you guys a full view of everything. Let me stage for you. Let me stage for you. Okay, and put those butterflies where they can be seen. So this is everything with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other extra little things. So I'm just creating some suspense and excitement for you. Number 3 and 4, okay? You guys are getting the same thing. And then up next is what my brother has.
And for my part of the giveaway, since I use nail foil in my video, I'm giving away this beautiful designer nail foil. That's right, designer nail foil. I know you've been eyeballing this. So I thought it would make a great thank you gift. There is Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, and Gucci. I know someone would be very happy with this. Thank you to everyone who also gave me so much support and kind comments on my video.